Dear learners, I am Ahmed Noman Sadiq. Today I would like to draw a very important and new topographical exam question. Let's draw the route very quickly. So here is our topographical interactive screen. Please note that I have a separate video about this topographical interactive exam screen on my YouTube channel. You could watch that video to learn each and every functionality on this topographical exam question screen. Dear learners, always read the question first on the question window of topographical interactive screen and then do accordingly. First of all, I would like to press this start drawing button, and you will see that when I will press this start drawing button, the same button will become stop drawing button. And when you finish drawing your route, you should press stop drawing button. It is recommended but not must. And now I am pressing start drawing button, and the same button now has become stop drawing button. Now I would like to show you only this portion of the screen so that you could watch the video and map very clearly. So this is our full screen, and here is our start marker, and this is our end marker. Start marker is always a green marker and end marker is always a red marker, and you have to draw your route from green to red marker always. Dear learners, I have already planned the most direct route between green and red marker. Now I would like to draw this route only. Always remember that there might be different options to draw the route between green and red marker. But always try to go through the most direct route between green and red marker. Please note that in this video, I am only drawing the route. If you want to learn how to draw, please watch my other videos on my YouTube channel. Now I am zooming in the start marker, which is the green marker. So it is here on this road. So I will start drawing like this, and I will keep myself towards the left hand side of the road. So when I will join this A road from this street, so here there is a barrier which is called as the central reservation. So it is actually the central reservation line. So I would not be able to cross this line. The reason is, always remember, if there is a word and there is a line before and after a word, it should be considered as a continuous barrier like this. But why I am telling you this? The reason is my end point is in this direction. So I have to go along this direction. But I would not be able to go directly and cross this line and reach at this point. So this is the reason I am telling you that I would not be able to cross this road. Yes, at this point there is a gap. So if there is a gap, that is there is no word between this line and this line, then if I am coming from this direction, yes, then I would be able to cross and go in this line, in this street as well. But always remember, you would not be able to make any U-turn. If you make any U-turn, like if you are coming from here and go like this is 0 marks, because this would be considered as a U-turn. So always remember these points. So what should I do? I have to take some alternate route to reach at this point. So what I will do, I will simply go towards the left hand side, and I will keep myself even here at the left hand side of the road like this. And from here, you see this is the gap. And then I will not make U-turn. I will go on this road. When I will reach on this road, then I will come back along this direction. Then from here, I can join this A road again. That will not be considered as U-turn. Or I would go through this street and I can join the A road from here. So I will prefer this road. So I will go like this. I will keep myself towards the left hand side of the road like this. And now I am joining this A road, because this street is actually merging with A road here. Now again I will see my end point. So here is my end point, it means I have to follow this A road. Then I will go like this. So I will go like this. When I will reach here, I will stop myself a little bit because I have to decide whether I have to turn right, I have to continue, or I have to continue on the same road. So since my end point is here, so I could go left hand side, but it's better to go straight. So I can use any road. So no problem at all because there is not much difference in the distance. Now the next point is I have to go here. So I can use different routes. So but better to come here and turn left. So this will be the best approach if I go along this way. But the thing is that if I go straight, I could go like this and then I could join this B road here, and ultimately I would be able to reach here. But that will be a little bit longer route. So, but I will continue on this route. So here I will go straight and join this street. So always remember I could join from A road to the street as well. So again, I will see the end point. Where is my end point? So I have to go accordingly. So here, always be careful about the one-way roads as well. So here I will go simply here. This is one way up till this point. I can simply turn here like this and I will go according to the road. So here it is a roundabout. So I will have to make a curve like this when it is a roundabout. So always zoom in to make a curve, then it will be a good and better curve. Now I have to go like this. I will zoom in again. When you are in a street, always zoom in. So again, keep yourself towards the left hand side of this road. So again, I will go like this, and I know that I have to reach at this point. So always keep in mind your destination. So here is my route. I will go like this. Now I have to decide where to go. So I will simply go like this, here, here, and ultimately I would be able to reach at that point. So here I will simply go like this, like this, like this, and then I will turn right here. Then I will continue my route like this. So if I go like this, what will happen? There were two possibilities. I can now go here and join this road. But the better was if I turn right from here. So if there is a mistake, this is not a mistake actually, but the better approach is if you go from here. So I will join or I will continue from this road. But always remember the way I opted for previously was also not wrong. So I will go like this, here, here, I will go like this. No worries at all. And then again, I will make it bigger and go on this road. Again, I'm continuing the route like this, no worries. And this is a railway line. So no problem. I can simply cross this road and this railway line. And now I will come like this, and ultimately I would be able to join this red marker. So here I am repeating again, you could go from here, you could also come like this. There is no problem at all, but this is a better way to reach at the end point. Now I have finished drawing this route, but always remember to check your route at the end, because sometimes there is a mistake of left hand side and right hand side. So always check yourself at the end. So I am checking, and yes, this is right. But you could go from the other side as well, but this is the most direct route between green and red marker. Now at the end, I would like to press stop drawing again. So here is our full screen, and now I will press stop drawing button and now the same button again has become start drawing button. Now this route has been saved, but even if you have not pressed the stop drawing button, they have updated their software, no problem at all. So don't worry at all if you have not pressed the stop drawing button. Now you could go to the next question by just pressing next question button. And that's the end of today's presentation. Thank you very much.